It is no surprise modern-day viewers want short and entertaining consumable content. Hence why TikTok has become so popular. So how can we use this to our advantage? Channels like Fox Recaps, with 1.2 million subscribers, or Movie Recaps, with 2.1 million subscribers, have exploited this new trend and are now earning $50K by making voiceover summaries of movies without any copyright issues. After this video you will be fully able to create a channel just like this and start cashing out your earnings. So first of all we need a movie, and this is very important. Make sure the movie has an entertaining or unique story, as this will keep your viewers hooked. After you have picked a movie, save it to your laptop. In my case I already downloaded The Wolf of Wall Street. Now that we have downloaded our movie we need a script. There are a few methods we can use for this task. Method number 1 is using the power of ChatGPT. Give him a prompt to write the full explanation of a movie. This is the quickest method, however ChatGPT only has data gathered from before 2020. Therefore newer movies might not work. Moving on to method number 2, which is finding a finished script. I recommend sites like IMDb, which give you the complete story of the movie. You can use this as your explanation script as long as you do not directly copy or paste this whole paragraph. Make some changes in them, or you can rephrase the whole article using other AI tools. The last method is the most time-consuming but might give you the best result, which is to hand-write the script. Now that we got the script ready, the next step is voiceover. For this step recording your own voice is the fastest, but if you are like me and you're a lazy motherfucker, we use an AI voiceover. Go to 11 Labs, which is the best AI voice in my opinion, and put your whole script here. It will generate the whole script for you, but remember, always use human sounding like voiceovers like 11 Labs, as YouTube can reject your monetization if it detects bad robotic voiceovers. Simply download the audio file after complete generation. The next step is video editing, which is the most critical step if you plan to make a channel in this niche, because if your editing is not good YouTube might copyright strike, so keep watching the whole tutorial. Open any editor. I'm using Adobe Premiere, however you can use a free program like CapCut. Now paste your movie here. Keep in mind to remove the movie's original sound, then take some short clips from the movie. Cut the movie every 8 to 10 seconds and convert it into a short clip. Do not use any long clip more than 10 seconds, just convert your whole movie into short clips. Now import your script voice over here, and this is now your content because you added voiceover and removed the original audio of the movie. I like to create subtitles, but that is an option. Save it on your laptop and make sure to organize your videos and thumbnails. Which leads me to the last step, thumbnail. If we look at this channel you can see he is using just some scenes from the movie and use them as thumbnails, but we are going to improve this. Find a highly engaging scene from the movie, or find one on Google like I do and download it. For example, in my case I like this scene from Wolf of Wall Street. Now open canva.com. It is a free graphic designing tool. Now select the YouTube thumbnail and press enter. Open this page and upload your screenshot here. Adjust the size of the image, and now add some elements for making your thumbnail more engaging, but remember, always use fewer words and fewer elements in the thumbnail to make it more suspenseful. I'm going to upload a video on how to make high clickable thumbnails. If you would be interested in gaining knowledge about thumbnail making strategy, let me know in the comments. Our last step is publishing. Go on YouTube and publish your video. Now we will set out the video's title, tags, and description. Go on ChatGPT and right here generate the best eye-catchy title for my YouTube video that is about Wolf of Wall Street, full explanation in English. Now select the title. I like this one, just copy and paste it into the title section, then move back on ChatGPT and give him the command to write a short description for my YouTube channel. Now wait for some seconds and hear your description ready to copy. Paste it into the description section and upload your thumbnail here that you have created from canva.com and complete the other elements. Make sure there is no copyright issue here. YouTube detects copyright content here, but our content should not be copyrighted at all. So this is all the information required to start a movie summary YouTube channel to earn that sweet revenue. I hope you learned something new, and if you want to learn how to start other businesses, then please hit the like button and subscribe to become a part of our community. I will meet you in the next video.